Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for GM's 2001 to 2010 HD trucks. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Raise the truck and support it with jack stands. Remove the rear wheel. Support the leaf spring with the jack. Unbolt it from the rear forward mount and lower the jack. Clear any brake lines or fuel lines from the work area. Step 3. Remove the factory rear forward leaf spring mount by cutting the rivets and clearing the holes with a hammer and punch. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. Step 4. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the area to bare metal, apply weld-through primer, mark where the replacement mount installs on the repair kit, and install the frame repair kit before continuing. Step 5. Paint the replacement mount before installation. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Install the rear forward leaf spring mount and lower frame support bracket using the included M10 hex bolts and M10 lock nuts. The M10 hardware requires a 15mm socket and wrench. Step 7. Reinstall the leaf spring using the included M16 hex bolt and M16 nut. The M16 bolt requires a 21mm socket, and the M16 nut requires a 24mm wrench. Reinstall the brake line bracket using the included M8 hardware. The M8 hardware requires a 13mm socket and wrench. Finally, reinstall any removed brake lines or fuel lines, reinstall the rear wheel, and lower the vehicle.